अभी जा अभी जा है सुबह अभी जा रात को कर विदा दिल रुबा अभी जा. Hey guys, don't. No, I am not going to sing a song. I am just enjoy myself, and I really want that from you also, because I want that you did the same like I am enjoying myself. You just need to enjoy yourself. You just need to enjoy your English learning process. And I really want to know in this video, I really want to know how you are doing. You are feeling so much stress, you are giving so much stress to yourself, you feeling so much nervous that if I can't capable of learning English speaking, I am a loser, I am fail. Everything I am going to talk about in this video. First of all, my name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. And today, the topic of today's video is how you enjoy your English learning process. Do you really enjoy your English learning process and you feel so much nervous? I just want to tell you, if you are taking English like that, if I can't capable of learning English speaking, I can't stand in front of anyone. I am a big loser. I am a big failure. Everyone laugh over me. No. You don't need to think like that. I just want to tell you, English learning English is a skills. Okay, just got it. Learning English is a skills. You can learn English speaking, but if you are thinking that you can take so much stress that can help you to practice English speaking, no, not at all. Because while you are taking so much stress, you can't concentrate. Apart from learning English also, you can't concentrate on your study because in your mind you just process in your mind a process that I can't capable of learning English speaking and I can't capable of doing any study because I'm a failure, I'm a loser. No, not at all. I just want to give you example. You all know that I'm a business person, okay? One, I have a big loss in my business, really, really very big loss. I can withdraw all my capital for my business and I really feel so much stress. The stress give me so much headache also because I can't concentrate to dealing with customers. When I have product, I have a less product, I don't remember to note in a notebook that I have to buy again. So apart from that, when I am taking stress, that is going to be an adverse effect for me. So I just want to tell you the same way. If you are taking so much stress for learning English speaking, you can did anything wrong with other thing also. Maybe if you are a student and if you are can't capable of learning English speaking, that can harm you with so many ways. That can harm your study also. That can make you less confident while you are in practice English speaking or anything else. So I just want to tell you, you just need to enjoy the English learning process. Don't take stress, don't be tensionized, don't take so much nervous, don't be nervous, just be relaxed. If you feel so much stress, give yourself a break. If you feel so much stress, just give yourself a break, and when you feel relaxed, then you have to start learning English speaking and make a group of those person who are very confident for learning English speaking. Don't make a group of that person who also is very less confident, whose morale is very down, and that is not going to help you. You just need to be confident. You just need to be enjoy the process of learning English speaking. It is a great process. If you when you learn English speaking and when you are try to remember the process you follow that time, you are have a so much smile. You have a so much smile. You feel so much relaxed that how I am mad. How can I did that? Because I am in a right way, I am in a right track. But why I am thinking so much stress that time? It is a great process. It gives me so much confidence. I can stand in front of anyone and I can speak English very well because I am always be relaxed. I am not taking any stress. I am not going to give so much headache to learn English. Singing a song in front of all of you, just I just want that you can enjoy your process. That is my way of telling you what is actual reason behind that. And I really want that just be relaxed and follow the process. I have made so many videos about learning English tips and tricks. You have to go in a playlist and you can follow it, you can listen, you can view it, and you have to adopt those tips that really help you. I am make sure that you can learn English speaking very well, but you just need to remember that because that is the only way you can learn English speaking. If you are practicing English speaking, that is the only way. Not only enough thing thought that you are watching my videos. You have to implement those tips and tricks whatever I told you in my all videos. And I really want that if you feel any problem, if you have any problem, if you have few question in your mind, just ask me in a comment. I always ask you, but most of the people are not asking me. Maybe they have so much nervous. I am not saying that. I am the same person like you, and I am also learning in a learning curve. I am not an expert, but whatever I have learned from my process, I will definitely tell you the right way that you can learn also. But try to comment me, and if you have feel anything, just tell me. And if you like my content, don't hesitate to click that like button. And if you are new, don't be subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon with all. That is the only way you can receive my upcoming videos notification. I hope that you like my this video, and that is for the video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.